integer and we have a target and we need to find out any two number whose sum is equal to the target. So for example, when we have integer of array having value 2, 7, 11, 15 and target is 9. Now, what are those two numbers whose sum is equal to 9? So from the array we can take 2 and 7. So the 2 and 7, if we sum that, what will be the target value? 9. So is the sum of the two values equal to 9? So now we need to return that indexes of those two values. What is the indexes for the 2? It will be 0. And what is the indexes for the 7? It is the 1. Is there any other two values whose sum is 9? No. 7 and 11 if we talk, no. If we talk about 11, 15, no. Right? Only the two values are there whose sum is 0 and 1. Okay. Now if we see another example too, here we have three values. One is 3, 2 and 4 and target is 6. Now find out any two value whose sum is 6. Now first we need to find out the two values. So two values, first we'll see 3 and 2. 3 and 2, 5. No, it is not valid. 3 and 4. No, it is not valid. Now 2 and 4. Yes, this is the valid. 2 and 4 is equal to 6, is equal to target 6. Now what is the indexes for 2? 0, 1, 2. The 2 index is, what is the index for the 2 value? It will be 1. And what is the index for 4 value? It will be 2. So output will be 2. Okay, the same here. If we talk about third example, we have two value in the integer, but those are the duplicate. Okay, it is also fine, but the target is equal to 6. Okay, now obviously we have two value, then sum will be for those, it is a 6. Now what is the index for that? For the three first value it is 0 and second it is 1, right? In the array, as we know that index will start with 0, that's it is coming 0. Okay, now we need to find out the efficient solution for that. So we have two solution. One is the brute force, another is using HashMap. So now we will discuss here how we can implement by using HashMap. So we'll see in the code. In the code you can see that first we need to remember one thing. So a plus b is equal to target. Okay. What is a plus b? So the target, as we know that what are the target they have given, so that we need to mention here. Okay, and what is the b and what is the a? As a we know the a is nothing but the value for our array 6, 15, 2, 19, 70. These are the value of a. So now when we have a, we can find the b. How? Target minus a is equal to b. Okay, so based on this logic we will implement in the hash map. Okay. Now what we'll do first, we will create a one hash map. Okay, we no need to make any complicated, it's very easy. Just first create a map. So in the map, in the map, once we create a map, right? So here you can see that initially its size will be 0. Okay, empty map. Okay, so now once we created map, we will create a one for loop, and from the for loop we iterate the array. Okay, so iterate the array means we will get that array from that function. Okay, we'll create one function and from there we will get that array. So initially here you can see that I have created one main method. From there I'm just calling to that method. Okay, in that method I am passing two parameter. One is integer array and one is target. Okay, here, so one integer array is there. Here I have value 6, 15, 2, 19, 7 and target is 9. Okay, now these two values I'm passing in the method, and after that I'm just iterating that array. Okay, so once iterating, then we can see that here in the line number 15 what I'm trying to find out. So I'm trying to find out target minus b, sorry, target minus a. Okay, so target means what is the target? 9, right? Here you can see that 9 is coming. And what is the array of I? Array of I means we need to get that a value. A means the array value, right? The first value. Okay, the first value we'll see. Then what is the value for that array of I? 6. Now 9 minus 6 is equal to 9 minus 6 equal to 3, right? Now we can go here next. Now in the I have created one variable remaining. Okay, rem I have created. Now what is the b value? 3, right? Now we need to find out whether 3 is exist in the map or not. That's it. If it is exist, then we will get that index for that value, and also what is the index for the another value. Okay, so if we get, then we return that one integer array. That's it. This is the main solution. No need to worry about other thing. Okay, because we need to just remember this one: a plus b is equal to target. That's it. If because if that values exist in the map, then only we can go to that, we can get that value. Okay, if that target minus a means if is not exist what we are trying to search, if that is not an exist match, so this means that a plus b will not be equal to target, right? So now if we go to the next, here the first time when we coming, we can see that the first time we are getting the 6. So the 6 is not in the map, right? The first time in the array map it will be empty, so obviously it will not go to the, in the if condition it will go to the line number 20, that map.put condition. So map.put means it will insert that value. So what it will insert? 6 and 1. So in the map, actually what we are trying to do, in the map we are storing key and value pair. Okay, array value with that index of that. So index will be 0 initial value, and again then next 15 and 1, again then 2 and 2. Okay, base index, key value of from the array and then index, then again 2 and 2, and again 19 and the 3 index, then 7 and 4 index, right? Now the first time the map will be empty. Now the initially first value will be inserted, it is 6 and 0, right? Now again we are going to for loop. In the for loop, next what is the I value? 1, right? So now in the I value, now what is the target? Target is 9, right? Now what is that next value of array of 1? Array of 1 next value will be now we will see, if we want to see, we can click here and we can just go to evaluate expression, right? When you click on here, so that next value is 15. Okay, array of I, so next value is 15. Here you can see that 15, right? One position 15. Now 9 minus 50, right? So it will not be work minus 6, so it will not go to inside that, right? Still the value is not there in the map. Now again it will same 15 and 1 will be inserted into map. Okay, now here also you can see that I will show you here. Once it inserted, you can see here in the map below, you can see that in the map two values are inserted. Okay, so one, what is the one value? Key is and value 6 and value 0. Okay, this is the two things we have inserted. Here you can see key is 15 and value is 1. So the whatever the value we are getting from the array, that we are storing as a key, and what is the index for that, that one we are storing as a value. Okay, so you can see here like that: 6 comma 0, 15 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 19 comma 3. So 0 1 2 3 4 is the indexes, and 16 15 2 19 7 are the values from the array. Okay, now again the loop will increase. Now I value is 2. Now I value is 2, then what is the target? Target is always 9, right? Now what is the value for 2 position? In the 2 position the value is 2, right? So 9 minus 2, 9 is minus 2, it is 7. Now we need to find out 7. 7 is there in the map or not, right? If it is there or not. If it is not there, then if it is not there, because we have 6 0 15 1, no, it is not there. Now again next value will be inserted 2 and 2, right? So what is the value? Size 2, what is the value? It is 2, and it will be inserted into map. Now map have three values. You can see here size is 3, right? Here 2 is inserted and index is itself is 2. Okay, now again we will go to the next loop. Now here you can see that, now what is the value for 3, right? So the I is 3, and here you can see 0 1 2 3, the value is 19. Okay, so now we'll check that target 9 minus 9 minus 19, it will negative value. Still that value is not exist in the map. Now it will go to the next position. Okay, now it will insert it the map. Okay, now you can see that the map size is 4. Okay, now we have 4 values map: 2, 19, 16, 15, right? So we have inserted up to here. Now we can see that next target. Okay, now here we can see the target 9, and what is the value in the fourth position? Okay, so the value in the fourth position, you can see that 0 1 2 3 4 7, right? So 9 minus 7 2, right? 9 minus 7 2, right? So here in the remaining, so what is the value? Oh, 2, right? Now it will check 2 is there in the map or not. Yes, we have 2 is there in map. You can see 2 is there, right? 2 is there in map. Yes. Now we will go to the next. Okay, next. Okay, now we will get what we will get. Now we will get that what is the index for the this value. Okay, so we have two. What is the index for this value? Right. So how we can get for that index for value for this value? So we have one method in the map get. So by get we need to pass that. Okay, so the value, based on value we can get that respective key for that. Okay, so now we have get and we have rem. Okay, the value is the target value minus array of I, the value we have here. We can see that 2, right? So what is the corresponding value for that? Because here we are using key and value pair, so the 2 here you can see that 2. Okay, and what is that corresponding value for that? It will be 2, right? For the 2 is key and 2 is also value, right? So here we will get 2, and what is the index for that? And what is the index? You can see that index is 4, right? What is the index for that? 4. So we have 2 and 4, right? 2 and 4 means 2 and 7. What is the sum for the 2 and 7? It is 9, right? So it is matching. Now it will come out of loop, and here it will print 9, 2 and 4 index value. Okay, yeah. So this is the output. Now we can run again, and you can see output for that. Right. This is a 2 and 4. Okay, like that we can do this one by using HashMap. And the time complexity for that, it is order of n, order of n, and space complexity also order of n. This is the best and efficient solution. Yeah, but you need to remember this concept: a plus b is equal to target, and after that, once we get b from target minus a, and you need to search in the map whether that value exists or not. Okay, and you can see that here in the line number 25, why we are returning this one? Because if nothing match, the target nothing match in any of that sum, then it will return that empty array. That's it. If you're not writing here, it will give that array. Okay, we need to return that empty array if nothing is matched. That's it. So thank you, have a nice day.